Dito na yung order natin guys. 2 rice at yung ating sizzling bulalo. Ang sarap guys. Oh my God. Tapos yung water natin yung free water lang. Additional water. At yung ating strawberry shake. Ayan, very yummy. So guys, kaya kami dito kami kumakain kasi sulit yung beef na binibili natin guys. Sorry Kulin. Si Kulin. Malas ni Kulin eh, no? Ayan, tapos meron silang beans, carrots, mushroom. Oh, ngayon meron na silang mushroom. Dinagdagan na ng mushroom, guys. Saka yung, ang yummy, yummy, guys. Kain na po. Can I join to you?